All right, Sizzles and Smokers, special edition. Sunday night football show. Cleveland Browns. Our first viewer submission. Dice Guy, you sent us that awesome. Dice Guy's a huge Cleveland Browns fan. Sent us an awesome root beer chicken wing recipe. We're going for it. First up, put your beer down. Second up, you know what helps? If you put the basket in first. Whoa, baby.
Come on.
Got one little straggler. Dice Guy told me to drop one.
That one's for Baltimore.
Yeah, definitely. I'm super excited about this recipe. We're in the frozen tundra. She's minus 1,000. The Sizzlers, oh, that's a thing of beauty. Okay, so as we got our wings in, we have to make a sauce. We got a nice saucepan. Let's do our 2 cups of root beer. We got the A&W kind going today. Oh, this is a great idea. Dice Guy knows what he's talking about. Woo! Woo! That was a hot pan.
That was a delayed reaction.
It was like a nuclear bomb going off. 2 cups, just because of that big foam up there. I'm just going to hit it with another half cup. Just a gut vibe on that. Maybe it was ice. That might have iced up, actually.
Ice, baby.
All right. Half a cup of brown sugar. What do you... Just the root beer smells amazing already.
I wish I knew that rolling stones.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to try that. Why do you something? We're cooking outside. We don't care if we make a mess. Nice. And now Dice Guy, he gave me a challenge because I had to find some chipotle spice. It's not everywhere. I'm sure maybe in Mexico.
Cleveland, they have it everywhere.
Yeah, and this is all about Cleveland. Dog pound. Half a teaspoon chipotle spice. Half a teaspoon smoked paprika. Our sizzling smoked spice, it's good on everything. We're going to hit this after. We're going to sprinkle this into the sauce. Going to bring this to a boil. And then we're going to hit it with a cornstarch slurry. We're not going to dump the cornstarch straight in.
You got to whisk it if you.
Dice Guy said, dump in your cornstarch, whisk it really hard. And I was laughing. I knew what he was talking about. But we're going to make a slurry. Show you how to do it a little bit easier. All right, so we'll come back once that boils and show you how to thicken up that sauce. Oh, nice. All right, progress report here. Ooh, she's boiling nicely. We're going to make our slurry. We're going to use the root beer instead of water. Dump that baby in, some cornstarch. This is your thickening agent. It's easier to whisk it together with liquid here than it is once you put it into your... I like that. I like the root beer because it foams up the cornstarch. That was Corey's idea. Brilliant idea. See, we don't have to whisk too hard. It's going to take a while to thicken up. I'm actually going to put the lid back on that. And we're cooking outside, folks. Let's check our wings. Update on that. Oh, they're getting there. They're getting there. We want those nice and crispy. Soak up all this juice. And Browns fans, Cleveland Browns fans, the dog pound. We're throwing the challenge down. A couple of Prairie Boys. The Browns are my team. We want you to promote this video, retweet it, get people going to our channel, watching this video. I want to see people at First Energy Stadium making Dice Guys root beer chicken wings. We'll be back for the tasting, maybe. Let's check it out. We'll be back in 5. All right, time for the big reveal. Let's get these out of the hot oil. And me and Corey would also like to dedicate this video to Graham Thompson, the biggest Browns fan we know. Hopefully he likes the video and the wings. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is some beautiful crispy. Dice Guy, here comes your sauce. Here comes your sauce, buddy. Ooh, that's nice. Could be thicker sauce, but you know what? I think once it cools, we're gonna be okay with that. So we'll wait till these cool a little bit. Thicken that sauce a tiny. Oh yeah, it's already coming around. Look at that. That's mouthwater, and that's dog pound. That's the official Cleveland Browns wings, babies. We'll come back for a taste in a couple minutes. All right, Dice Guy. Thanks for the recipe. People, send us your recipes. That's in the plums. That's Pitbull, Big Dog, left plum, right plum. Very nice. Check out our dill pickle wing video. Hit these with the sizzle and smoke sauce too. Give them a little sprinkle. If you like hot sauce, hit them with a little hot sauce. I'm sure you can mess with the recipe a bit. But the idea is to get that root beer base. All right, we're out of here. Got to go hit these before they cool off. Next week, folks, dog pound.